Be honest. You're tired of hitting ChatGPT's free limits, right? That frustrating upgrade to Pro pop-up every time you really need deeper answers, but you can't or don't want to pay every month. What if I told you there's not just one, but two real ways to unlock ChatGPT's best features completely free? And most people don't even know the second one exists. But listen, if you skip or click away, you'll miss the exact step that makes the second method actually work. Stay with me. I promise it'll save you money, unlock hidden features, and you'll never beg a chatbot to please be smart again. Look, I've been there too, asking ChatGPT for deep answers and it spits out surface level nonsense. Paying for Pro once, but next month the bill hits again. Or you Google ChatGPT Pro for free and it's just shady spam sites and clickbait. You want depth, accuracy, and real value. So here's exactly how to trick your free account into thinking like a pro, plus a secret site that lets you tap multiple AI brains for free. And trust me, the best trick is at the end, so don't blink. Alright, method 1 is what I call the brain hack. Open your ChatGPT app or the web version. But wait, don't just slap in any prompt like most people do. Here's the secret. Go to the bottom left corner, click your name or profile. Click Custom Instructions. It might show up as personalization for some. Inside, you're going to paste a very specific instruction that literally rewires how ChatGPT responds to you. Here's just a taste of it. For the full version, grab it in my Telegram channel, link in the description. Always respond using your most advanced and capable reasoning model. Prioritize deep analysis, logical clarity, and high factual accuracy. Structure responses in clear steps. Minimize fluff. Break down complex ideas step by step. Why this works? It pushes the free version to tap into its deepest training, like you'd get from Pro. Because you're giving it rules that keep it sharp. But don't get too comfy. This only unlocks about 60% of what you really want. The real goldmine is method 2, and this is where most people give up. Method 2 is what almost nobody talks about, and if you skip ahead without the setup, you'll mess it up completely. It's a site that gives you direct access to multiple pro-level AI brains, not just ChatGPT, but Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and more. But there's a catch. If you don't do the steps exactly right, you'll just get a watered-down version that's worse than the free plan. So watch this carefully, because the next 60 seconds are the make or break. Here's the full setup. Step 1. Open any browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, doesn't matter. But don't just Google random links. The official link keeps changing because they avoid blocks. I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. Link in the description. Step 2. Accept cookies? Wait, don't just click accept. Click manage cookies. I always remove advertising cookies for privacy. Step 3. Verify you're human if it asks. That's normal. Step 4. Now this is where everyone messes up. Click direct chat. Don't let the site pick a random model for you. Direct chat gives you the power to pick the exact pro model you want. If you skip this, you're stuck with generic AI. Alright, here's what I personally use. ChatGPT 4.1 for deep logical analysis. Claude 3 Opus for creative brainstorming and nuanced answers. DeepSeek Pro, when I need heavy data research and coding, you can switch between them anytime for $0. Just imagine how much smarter your work gets when you have these pro brains at your fingertips for free. So now you're not just a free user stuck with limits. You've got real AI power, smart prompts, and access to multiple premium models. You're literally one step ahead of 99% of people stuck begging for better answers. But here's the thing, privacy still matters. In my next video, I'm dropping a guide on how to keep your prompts private when you use these sites, so your data stays yours. So, like this video if you got real value, comment value if you stayed till now. I read every single one. Tell me where you're watching from. I might just give you a shout out next video. And if you want the full instructions, secret site link, and my best working prompt, grab them in my Telegram channel. Link is right below. Don't just use AI, master it. I'll see you in the next one.